Hi, Randy here with Engineered Adapters. This video will guide you step by step on how to install our 6.5-inch Saddlebag LoRise Speaker Mount Kit. This kit includes the left and right speaker mounts and speed clips and perfectly fit the side open bags found on the Kawasaki Vaquero and Nomad. They have holes to accommodate 4, 5, or 6 bolt speaker applications. Made with ABS for durability and strength, they can be left as is or prepped and painted to your choice of color. Be sure to check our website for a list of compatible speaker models. While cutting into your bags may seem daunting, the difficulty scale is a 2 out of 5. The major tools required include a drill, drill bits, screwdriver, painter's tape, caulk, markers, and cleaning supplies. Tools to cut the main speaker clearance hole can include a rotary tool, a jigsaw, or a hole saw. Additional tools are also listed. The speakers we are installing use a 4-bolt pattern. Mark the matching hole pattern on the mounting rings. Begin by making sure your bags are clean and free of dirt or debris. Apply tape to the front area of the bag as shown. The strips should overlap and be smooth. The top of the mounting rings are indicated by the embossed T on each, while the left saddlebag ring is indicated by the L. When placed on the bag, these tang features face the door side and are placed along this radiused edge. Set the ring atop the saddlebag and slide it along the face, being sure to keep these tangs against the edge. The rings will self-locate, eliminating the need for a template. Mark the location and repeat the process of sliding it into place. Verify that the mounting ring lands on the same mark. The best description for finding the correct location is that it just drops into place. Before drilling, secure the mounting ring in place using tape or a clamp, being sure it does not lose location. Choose 2 opposing holes from the ones we previously marked. Using the 1/8-inch bit, drill a pilot hole followed by the 3/16 bit. Again, making sure that the mounting ring holds location. With these 2 holes drilled, we can now remove the method used to secure the ring. Insert the mounting screws that are included with your speakers and attach the speed clips from inside the bag and snug them down. Drill the 2 remaining screw holes with the 1/8 and 3/16 bits and trace the inside profile for the speaker cutout. We can now remove the screws and the mounting ring. This next step is the most critical and not one that you will want to rush. Various methods can be used to cut the hole, but we are using a 5.5-inch hole saw as it will result in the most accurate and smoothest hole. If using the hole saw, mark the center for the arbor and drill out the speaker hole. Regardless of which tool you use, be sure to take your time here and let the tool do the work. Do not violate the traced line. It is important to remove any sharp edges that can create stress points. We used a deburring tool, but sandpaper or a rotary tool will work fine to clean up any rough or sharp edges. The speed clips can be installed at the mounting hole locations if installing 4 or 5 bolt speakers. It may be necessary to remove a bit of material so the speed clips can be fully inserted to align with the holes. To seal the mounting ring to the bag, use caulk or RTV sealer in the groove on the underside of the mount. For these speakers, we found it best to stack the grill ring, speaker, and mounting ring together and insert 2 screws before placing it down on the face of the bag. Insert the remaining screws and tighten down using a crisscross pattern. We recommend using a screwdriver here, do not use a power tool. An often asked question is if the speakers will interfere with the storage inside the bags. The speakers only slightly protrude into the bag, having little impact on the storage capacity. Before we can listen to our new speakers, we need to get power to them from the radio or amplifier. We offer several speaker wire kits to finish this installation, and this video will help you choose which option works best for you. Now repeat this process for the right saddlebag. This is Randy from Engineered Adapters. Thanks for watching.